Well, hello everyone. Welcome to another vlog. Today we're on 1816. Um, and yeah, with it is currently. Let me check my watch. It's 6 o'clock in the morning. Um, and it's cold. My day at probably about 60 degrees for Florida. That is hot. I'm gonna be quiet while I do the startup here. And there, there we go. And we'll flick on our lights and do our overheads really quick. No. Um, so while that warms up, oh, there's a leak in this window. Oh, it wasn't shut all the way. We got some snow last night. I mean, some rain. Isn't that crazy? Anyway, let's do our light test. Light test open. Alrighty. Okay. Yep. 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 Alrighty. Everything works here. That stop sign works. That stop sign works. That's good. God, I hate being sick. Alright, let's open this. Alright, we are good to go. And those lights work. Okay. We get to start early this morning. Alrighty. Let's head out. Why did our lights turn off? There we go. For some reason, like the front lights turned off. Um, anyway, um, today I'm doing a couple field trips. However, I'm only doing my AM route, um, being that I'm doing those field trips. Um, so yeah. Anyway, I had some shenanigans happen on last week's route. Um, and it was nuts. Pencils were being thrown. You heard that correct. Pencils were being thrown across the bus. I'm like, why are we doing that? Like, please explain to me how that is a good idea. And, students, I don't know, just pain in the butt, that's all. And of course, they're middle school, so they don't really know a whole lot about following rules, um, you know. And I had a student, and, he's really nice. He sits behind me, and we were chatting, and he was telling me, and I'm like, oh my gosh, these things happen at the middle school, and it's just nuts to think about. Um, and yeah, so that's pretty much how my week's been going. Um, Recording this as of Monday the 26th. Um, I might get it posted today. I'm not 100% sure. Um, I have my counseling appointment tonight, so might change that. I'm not 100% sure. Explanation for my recent inactivity is I've been sick. God, I hate the flu. Um, and yeah, and oh my God, wait, what the, what the, whoa. Um, Anyway, if we first stop here, we'll go ahead and leave them on. All right, alrighty. Um, yeah, so I'm probably not going to talk much during this route. I just wanted to post something so then everyone would have something to show. Um, Next video, I'm probably gonna be doing it on Chatham. Because I love that district. And they're 07 CE. I'm a bus driver for them, so I just drive up to Georgia, and I just do it. And yeah, so I will. I'll probably just put some music in the background. Wow, we go. Oh my god, that is so bad. Holy crap. I should be getting a new bus sooner than later, because this thing's kind of old and it's not faring too well. Uh, and yeah, so I'm just gonna play some music while we do stuff. So, yeah, and hope you guys enjoy. Alrighty, just pulling into the high school right now. Um, Shenanigans happening on my route. I'll talk more once I drop these kids off though. Dang, I'm the first one. Nice. All schools are dropping goats, so let's do that and shut off. Alrighty, go make sure that no one's back here. Nope. Um. Alrighty. Alrighty, then instead of doing elementary, what I do is I go to the opposite side of the map, /county, and I do for the charter school, so the MS3 would be. Um, I do a route for them instead of doing an elementary school. So I have a long route and I go all over the county. So I will probably not talk for most of it either just because I'm not feeling the greatest. Um, but there still be something. So yeah, enjoy. Oh god, oh god, oh god, what is that? Oh god, my bus is on fire. My bus is on fire. Shut it off. Oh god, I'm glad that it was only just me on the bus though. Ah, I'm gonna at least try and pull it over to the side of the road. Ooh, she's dumping out smoke though. Crap. Oh, she almost didn't start. Good thing almost no one uses this road. I don't know what to do. Alright, let me call dispatch really quick. 1816 to dispatch. My bus is on fire. I'm gonna need a new one. Alrighty, we're gonna come and send you with one. Thank you. Well, that's a bummer because, yeah, no, this thing's not good. Probably gonna be toast. Alrighty, well, I'll see you guys when, someone actually comes to get me. Long story short, I grabbed the tags and we have 0202. This thing is old as dirt. I don't even know if this thing's gonna start. Let's try. It shut off by itself also. What in the world? I don't know. I'm not playing this game. Um, 1816 to dispatch. This bus isn't working either. Can you please send another one? We're sending another one. Thank you. I swear. Anyway, two buses. So we're back with 18. A 07 Thomas first gen C2, which I have not had in a while. I haven't driven a C2 in a while. I'm gonna go ahead and do our route really quick. I'm super late though, so we'll see how this goes. Also, we are supposed to get a storm, as you all can probably see. So that's fun. I'm gonna actually put my master so it's on. Knew it.